and thank you for joining me on this video. Just going to show you a bit of an issue I've got with my existing car. Now, if you've been on my channel before, you might see that a few years ago I posted a video about clunking noises on a Mini Cooper. So basically when you turn the wheel a certain way, you hear a clunk, like metal on metal sound. That's been watched quite a lot by people coming onto my channel, and the issue with that was around wheel bearings. Now, I'm not a mechanic, so I'm not exactly au fait with the issue, but had it resolved. Lo and behold, I don't know whether it's anything to do with my driving style or not, but I've got a car now which is a Seat Ibiza FR, which I've had for about 2 and a bit years, and the same thing is happening again. It's actually happened twice with this car. It happened a few years back, well, about a year ago. I've had this, should just shut my door. I've had this car about 2 and a bit years, as I say. It happened about 12 months ago. I had it fixed again with wheel bearings, and the same thing's happening again. So I'll steer the wheel and show you what happens. There. And there's a heavy creaking noise. And if we turn it back, you'll hear it again. There. Just show you that one more time. Just to say as well, I don't advocate dry steering, but it's just to demonstrate this. There you go. Big clunk that time. A lot of creaking. As we go back, you'll hear it clunk the other way. There. So not so heavy turning it back, but as you said, there's a definite metal on metal clunking side when we turn the wheel. This just started randomly. Like many people, I'm working from home currently, so car's not done a lot of mileage in the last 12 months. As you can see on the clock, there's 70,000 miles in total, but only about 2,000 last year anyway. That's enough for now. Thank you. I will report back when I know what the issue is.